Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best YouTube kit for kids is probably one of the most sought-after tools for parents and educators looking to provide children with a safe and engaging online experience, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will delve into the essential features and considerations to help you select the perfect YouTube Kids kit that aligns with your child's age, interests, and your family's values, ensuring a positive and enriching online journey for your little ones. Number 5. Movo Vlog Kit V7. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution for creating stunning videos. Everything you need to start vlogging is included in one convenient kit. It's perfect for vlogging, filmmaking, interviews, and more. It's a great starter kit for YouTubers of all ages. It's compatible with most smartphones, including iPhones and Galaxy Note devices. A simple setup makes it easy to start recording. It captures professional quality audio with its stereo sound and includes windshields to reduce noise. Your videos will sound as great as they look. It features 30 ultra-bright LEDs with 3 adjustable brightness levels. It ensures your videos are well lit in any situation. It lets you start and stop recording and take selfies remotely. The sleek design includes a handy keychain lanyard for convenience. What we like? It is a complete kit including a microphone, light, and remote. If you are looking for a starter kit with good sound quality and bright light for various shooting scenarios, this is a great option. It's perfect for beginners who want a versatile setup without breaking the bank. This kit is ideal for kids and adults who want to start creating high-quality videos. What people say. This kit comes in a nice travel case that has a hard molded shell. The components were wrapped carefully and stored inside the case. It is easy to assemble and just as easy to disassemble and put back into the case when done filming. The microphone works well. It came with connectors. The LED light is bright and multicolored for a more natural lighting. It's basic, but it does improve lighting if you don't have anything else. The handle is easy and comfortable to hold. It can also be removed so the gear can be screwed into a tripod. The phone holder expands very well to hold a wide range of mobile devices. I have an iPhone X Max and it was able to hold it in place without any issues. I also like that it has a level so I can be sure my videos aren't crooked. I've been looking for accessories that turn my iPhone into a cinematic camera. This set is top shelf quality. I love the little details such as the level and that you can adjust to the size of your camera. It also lets you shot in portrait or landscape mode with little effort. The grip is nice and has heft to it. Nice touch adding the strap. The whole kit is easy to set up and came with the battery for the microphone. Everything in this kit is made very well and lightweight. The hardcover carrying case has a storage compartment for cables. Our phone cameras these days shoot excellent quality video, but the mics on them are less than stellar. This gives you a stereo XY mic and a very stable platform along with a Bluetooth start-stop remote, and a decent quality light as well. It's not pro quality, but neither is the price. I'm very pleased. Number 4. UBeesize 12-inch ring light. It's the perfect lighting solution for all your streaming, makeup, and video needs. With its adjustable stand and phone holder, it's incredibly versatile. It offers 3 light colors: warm, cool white, and daylight. Each color has 10 brightness levels, giving you 30 options to find your perfect setting. Extend it from 15 to 50 inches. Its wide tripod base ensures stability on any surface, from a tabletop to the perfect height for you. The 3-way pan head allows for tilt and swivel motion, so you can easily adjust it to any angle. Perfect for portraits, landscapes, and everything in between. Unlike other ring lights, this one has a phone holder built right into the ring itself. This ensures your phone is perfectly positioned for the best lighting. It's perfect for live streams, video calls, taking selfies, and creating professional-looking videos. Get yours today. What we like? This kit boasts a dimmable ring light with various color and brightness options. If you need a setup with adjustable lighting for live streams or makeup tutorials, this is the one for you. The adjustable tripod and versatile angles make it perfect for various shooting situations and content types. It is suitable for those who prioritize lighting quality and flexibility. What people say. Bright, adjustable lighting with 3 color modes. Tripod extends tall enough for standing shots or desktop use. Phone holder is flexible and fits both iPhone and Android. Number 3. VTech KidiZoom Creator Cam. It's time to become a movie director. This HD camera is designed for young creators, making it easy to capture and share amazing videos. With it, you can add cool effects to your videos. Imagine yourself running from a T-Rex or exploring outer space, all from the comfort of your own room. It comes with everything you need to make awesome videos: a tripod, selfie stick, and even a green screen. Get ready for action. It's simple to record and save your videos. Adults can easily upload them to a computer using the USB cable. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for taking on any adventure. Plus, it has a rechargeable battery so the fun never has to stop. Give the gift of creativity and fun. This camera is perfect for any child who loves to make movies and explore their imagination. What we like? It comes with many creative effects and multiple attachments. If you are looking for a fun and easy-to-use camera for kids to explore their creativity, this is a great choice. The various attachments and special effects make it engaging for young content creators. It's perfect for kids who want to make fun and imaginative videos. What people say. He had no trouble using it with no help at all. He already navigates Gizmo, iPad, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV with ease. He loves to take pictures. Say cheese, he says. He loves the flip-back lens to take selfies. He can flip through his pics and play the silly sounds. I can import them into a Mac Mini with no trouble and then show them on the big TV to his delight. He has access to the camera without asking permission, so it gets bounced around plenty and is doing fine. He loves using the tripod, and the camera also fits a standard tripod fine. Can do both video and photos, selfie and regular front-facing modes, 22 great green screen animations. Make sure you have lots of light in the room. My kids also like to see if any of their green teal shirts act as green screens too. Fun photo frames, button controls are easy to use, with volume control. Tripod works great, removable, games are fun, and can be turned off by the parent. The quality is great for the price. She has had so much fun with it. Number 2. Canal Toy Studio Creator. It's time to become a movie star. This kit has everything you need to create amazing videos, from a pro-quality green screen to a handy tripod. With a dimmable LED ring light and a huge green screen, you can make your videos look incredible. The possibilities are endless. It's easy to use, even for beginners. Just set up your scene, hit record, and start creating. Once you've filmed your masterpiece, it's easy to share it with your friends on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. This kit includes a wireless remote, a clip-on selfie light, and a handy guide to help you create top-quality videos. It's the ultimate video making kit. It's USB powered and comes with a handy carry case, so you can take it anywhere and create content on the go. What we like? This kit includes a large green screen and a dimmable LED ring light. If you are looking for a complete kit with professional features to create high-quality videos, this is the one. The green screen and ring light allow for creative and professional-looking videos. It's perfect for kids who want to create advanced and engaging content. What people say. It has a green screen that has been so much fun for him to create different backgrounds for his videos. Easy to use. Ring light, green screen, ECT all work well though. Number 1. Movo iVlogEK Vlogging Kit. Unleash your inner filmmaker with this comprehensive kit. It has everything you need to start creating stunning videos. Capture crisp, clear audio with the included shotgun microphone. Its cardioid pickup pad ensures focused sound, perfect for interviews or vlogs. This compact LED light provides even, beautiful illumination. Adjust brightness and color temperature to match your needs. The 360-degree rotating phone holder keeps your phone secure and allows for quick transitions between landscape and portrait modes. This kit includes everything you need to start creating high-quality videos. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a 1-year warranty and US-based support. What we like? It features a high-quality shotgun microphone and a compact LED light. If you are looking for a professional-grade microphone and lighting for your videos, this kit is for you. The combination of a high-quality microphone and bright light ensures professional-looking videos. It's perfect for kids and adults who want to create high-quality vlogs and videos. What people say. This vlogging kit includes everything you need to get started with content creation. The included microphone and tripod setup is perfect for tabletop use. I like that the kit includes a microphone damper which does cut down on ambient/wind noises within the recording. The light is a great feature, and includes 5 brightness settings to give adequate light depending on the environment. The tripod can also be folded up to be carried for on-the-go recording. I use this tripod to make videos and it works great. I love the size and weight of it, it's super easy to travel with. The mic works great too. Arrived quickly, it's an overall great product and just as advertised. It's absolutely amazing and lightweight. The LED light that comes with it is ring light bright. I was honestly so impressed by it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.